Alright guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. I have actually not uploaded a Roblox video for how long. We're going to be playing Ragdoll Engine. I'm gonna go on Ragdoll Engine right now. Alright, so we're going to be trolling people, just saying guess what and then push them over. I just wanted to do something more quick, guys. Look how high this flings me in the air. Oh my goodness. Lord have mercy on it. Oh my god. Beep. Okay, anyways. So let's go over to someone. Okay. No, I'm just gonna be pushing people over for this. Yeah, I can't. They're over here asking my question right now. Noni. Wait, why is that ahead of me right now? Oh, yeah, because they have to 5 or 6 of it or whatever. Oh, I love doing this, guys, by the way. I'm just going to. Oh no, that person already jumped. Oh, they died. Are you good? Yeah. They're not. I don't think. So, guys, this is what I love doing. Yeet. All I can hear is oof sound. Oh, yes, I'm gonna push this person. I'm not be able to let you guys die. The head only goes down. What's wrong with these R6 avatars, man? What's wrong with you guys? Okay. Don't bully. Bacon head. Ah, yeah, lucky them. Let me in the cannon. Let me in the cannon. Oh my god. I need to. Oh no. They got in the cannon. Ha 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 ha. What you get? Are you pushing him over? Oh my god, guys, I need to run over. Oh my god, bacon's coming after me. There's a bacon coming after me. There's a bacon coming after me. There is an actual bacon coming after me. I'm gonna jump out the window and that never happened. But okay, let's continue with the video. Oh no. Oh, okay. Oh wait. Oh. I need to do my YouTube intro. I need to do my YouTube intro. I need to do my YouTube intro. Okay, so guys, yeah. So I'm playing. Oh, wait, guys, look in here. Did any of you know that was actually in the Ragdoll Engine where it was underneath like that? Yeah, but I did not know that. So just yeah. So hello, Tiny Vanos. Hello, Addy Pink Cake. Oh, I don't know what it says his name. But if you see this video, subscribe right now. Yeah, this POV is close up. But subscribe right now. Okay, so yeah. Bro, guys, what is this girl talking about? Okay. I know. Okay, anyway. So guys, we're going to just be pushing some Buggy. Get back here, Buggy. Moist, I'm just gonna push you. Sorry, Moist. Sorry, Moist. Man, I'm sorry. More coins. Hello. Guys, watch this. Oh my god, I gotta get over it. Hold on. Boy, don't stand on this guy. Guys, don't forget to like the video. Oh, my kneecaps. I'm gonna hurt my kneecaps. Okay, so why am I even playing on? How? Oh. Is that supposed to happen? I think it's glitched, actually. You know, let's just get on with the video, you know, let's just finish this video, man. So, bye. Oh my god. Who's that? That girl with the flying umbrella, is that the girl from the Kingsman? Oh my god! Can I not do a YouTube thing without getting pushed? Be my friend. Ciao. Sorry, BBG. Sorry, BBG. Sorry, BBG. Sorry, BBG. Oh my god. Sorry, BBG. Oh my god, I'm gonna go kill Markov after this. I'm gonna go kill Markov. Hold on. And, yo, bro, bye. No. Laura didn't get them, Laura. There's Markov. Markov. Okay, here you are, Markov. Ciao, bro. I'm trying to kill you, Markov. Markov, stop running. Markov, I swear to God, Markov. Boy, get your stupid... Markov. Oh my... Markov. Stop it, Markov. Haha, Markov. I'm sorry, Markov. So, Markov, if you're watching this video, I'm sorry. You had to get pushed over. Capri. Capri, what are you doing in here? Capri, get... Oh. Okay, so... Okay. Hold on, guys, let me just get over here so I can do this. Oh my goodness. Vroom. R.I.P. that. Hey! R.I.P. that. Hey! Oh god. I'm gonna go like, you guys. What do y'all have to say? You're on YouTube. What do y'all have to... You're on YouTube. What do you have to say? You're on YouTube. What do you have to say? Sorry, it's the torturing. Oh my god, guys, that's instant torture right there. So, guys, that was today's video. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to be uploading this, so I have to flip and edit the whole entire goddamn thing. So, like, yeah. But I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace